Hi, good afternoon. I'm sorry, this morning we were not able to follow the whole procedure of the experiment in the classroom. We had certain problems with the connection, but I'm going to repeat right now from my kitchen the experiment that your classmates were able to see in the classroom in the morning. The video we saw about energy explains how molecules move faster in the heat. Take a look.
Uncle is making a fire in the grill to cook food. What kind of energy is Uncle using to cook the food? He's using fire, which gives us heat energy. Heat cooks our food. It is produced when the particles of a substance start to move faster and faster and start to collide with each other.
Thermal or heat energy. It is created from the vibration of molecules and atoms within substances. The faster they move, the more energy they produce, and the hotter they become.
Okay, here we're going to start with hot water. And here we have ice water. This is full of ice inside. And we're going to put paint in both of them. And let's see which one dissolves faster. Where do you see that the paint dissolved faster? Which one shows that the molecules move faster with the color and it dyed all the water before? And remember, scientists take notes of their observations, the process they did, and what they concluded. Copy these in your science notebook or make your own. Guys, this time it is very clear. I really hope that you understood everything. And I want to tell you, we are doing our best effort in the school to make the connections work and to do our best job. So, let me know if you liked the video, the experiment, and if you got it about energy moving faster in the heat. See you.